Gobran. I'm in electrical engineering with a focus in micro nanosystems with a minor in biomedical engineering. Probably the most memorable class for me would be AC circuit analysis that I took last semester. And that might be a shocker to a lot of people who are in ECE and who I would tell that to, because that class was hard. Not that I did really good in that class, but even then, it's not always the classes that I do really good in that I might learn the most from or I might really enjoy. And so with the AC circuit analysis, it was kind of a great refresher about every single topic that I had taken. We delved more deeply into every single topic. And alongside doing that lab, it was like a perfect combination of theory, lab, and refresher. We really dove into reviewing all the different topics, and that was something that was really good because that was helpful for me because, like I said, I struggled really before. So this kind of put an emphasis on all the different topics that were going to be most important that I could take from all those different classes that I've taken before. And the lab. It was really the lab that was the best part, because we would learn about an amplifier in the theory class, and then immediately we build like a sound amplifier. So like we design some sort of stereo system. Of course, we wouldn't actually build a stereo, but we'd say if we could attach this circuit to a stereo and then it would work. And having that idea in my mind of, oh, okay, what I'm learning right now can be applied to literally systems that I'm using right now. The speaker that I'm using has this in it. And that's something that was really helppful. And like I said later on, we had built an EKG. And that's something, like I said, I'm so interested in the medical side. And that's something that I really enjoyed, because seeing how it could be applied directly into the medical field is something that I hadn't really thought about. I knew there were many different ways, but nothing that I'd personally done. And now that I'd personally done this, I was like, I'm like a lot more invested in this now. Oh, I mean, at least from a lot of the people in the industry that I've talked about, they say you have to be handy, and they use that word handy a lot, especially one of my teachers. And the reason why they say that is because somebody can give you a project and they need to know you can just finish it. You can get through anything, right? Maybe they don't give you too many specifications, they don't give you too much help, but they want you to know that in the end of the day, if you get a project, you can finish it and you'll persevere through it. And so with the EKG, I knew that I had a lot of specifications and a lot of help, but I still had to persevere in a way that it was my own design. It's not somebody else's design. I had to use my own values. I had to use my own components. And with that came a lot of struggles. And so later on in my career, when I'm given a project saying, hey, do this, and not my specifications, I now know that I can persevere through that and I can work through that.